This is the Emerald BI-GanttView that we're looking at here. So first off, we do have our initial snapshot of our civil project. So you can see that we've customized this chart to incorporate our company colors with the activity table along the left here, and then we have our activity bars in the chart to the right. We have some slicers along the top here, which is how we're choosing which snapshots to display, and you can actually change these out as you wish. You'll notice that we have our 3-layer timeline up here, and we are measuring by year, month, and day, but this can be changed as needed. And we have also customized it in our company colors. So we have our activity table on the left, which is sorted into a WBS hierarchy. And each of these sections are collapsible, which will then hide the bars, the task bars within them. And as you can see, these are emerald green colored, but if we scroll a little bit down here, you'll see that we actually have a critical activity here that is colored in red. So the BI-GanttView can actually tell from P6 data which tasks are critical, and you can color them accordingly. You can also see in this milestone section here, the milestones that have each individual colors and shapes to make them kind of stand out, and you can see kind of at a glance which is which. And these ones are in the chart, but you can also put them along the top timeline. So in this initial snapshot, we don't have any progress on our activities, as you can see by our empty activity bars. This snapshot was taken at the very beginning of our project. So let's take a look at a progress snapshot. So this one was taken roughly 2 weeks after our initial snapshot. So here we've started to progress our activities. You'll notice that some of these bars have been partially filled. So these show where we are in terms of completing these activities. And you can also see by the baselines that we are a little bit behind on some of our activities and a little bit ahead on others. You'll notice that in this chart, we've decided to display our milestones along the timeline up here. As before, each of these milestones are a unique shape and color and can be easily identified along the timeline. You can also add a date stamp to the milestones to see the exact date that they're set. So next up, we have our third snapshot, or our second progress snapshot. So here you can see that most of our activities have been completed as they have been fully filled in here. There are a couple that have yet to be started, as in these ones here. You'll also notice that the activity table here has more columns than before. So these columns are configurable. So I can add whatever data I need to this table, which makes a new column so I can see my data all spread out in one place. So in this case, I've added original duration and task ID.